Hi, and welcome to Cooking for My Daughter. So today we're going to do pork chops, carrots, tomatoes, 2 cans of tomatoes, garlic, onions. I combine all these in the roasting pan, this one, and we cooked them with pork chops. We slow cooked them all day at around 300, 350, and it turns out to be super tender pork chops. Amazing. So we'll start off by peeling our carrots. Always have something on the side here so you can put your scraps away. It's my ice machine. Always something making noise when I'm trying to do a video. So just peel as many as you want. You can use 5 pounds, 2 pounds, 5 carrots, 10 carrots. The more the better. These are super long ones today for some reason. If you don't have one of these, you should get one of these scissors. Pretty good. And what I've done is I widened the blade. You stick something in here and you opened it up a little more so it cuts quicker. And there's other reasons why I widened it. When I make soups, I peel the whole carrot down. I don't actually cut it. So I leave it like this and then I chop them and put it in the soup. It makes for cooking soup much quicker. Alright. Now that's done. Take the crappy ends off. This recipe I made on my own. It's one of mine. Tends to be a very, very good recipe. Once you make it once, you'll make it often. It's pretty good. So keep our area clean here. So that's done. So now you could cut it like you would for a stew, but I tend just to do this. Just like this. Bite size. A little bigger than bite size is okay. Just put them all in the bottom of your roasting pan. Don't cut your finger off. That's good. Try to keep them around the same size. So bigger pieces like this, you'd cut in half. So when you're cutting with a knife like this is the Damascus steel. It's tipped down and then push through slowly. You don't have to do it like super fast. This will cut your finger off. You must be careful. Okay, it's a little thick. As you get used to your knife and cook a lot with it, you'll be able to go quicker. Don't worry about going too quick at the beginning. And then we're doing the onions. I haven't told you before, keep your peelings. Put them in the freezer in a big Ziploc bag. One day I'm going to show you what to do with it. So put them in the freezer until you get lots. That was a lot. That's okay. Yeah, should have peeled the skins off beforehand. Alright. I only sharpen this once a week. Just touch it with the diamond steel and that's it. Alright. Wipe our area. I like to keep everything nice and tidy as we go. So now, for the onions, halves. You know, a lot of people, most people cut this way. So when you're doing French onion soup, or if you want more flavor from your sweet onions, you turn it this way and you cut French style. You releases more flavor. It's thinner. You just get more out of it. You can rock this way. You turn it this way. Always keep it where it's safe for you. Doesn't have to be. Whatever you're comfortable with. And if you have a real sharp knife, it's not a problem. Seems like a lot of onion, but it's not. There you go. Onions are going in on top of the carrots. Now for the tomatoes. It's pretty straightforward. Remove things you don't want. Top, bottom. And now I'll show you just how sharp it is. See that? Paper thin. I could cut like this all day long with this knife. And it's not fully sharp. So we're just dicing these. However, doesn't matter. And they're going in. Same thing here. Stem off, tip off. In. And there we go. Most time when I cut myself, it's because the knife is dull, not because it's sharp. So we're gonna do a whole bunch of garlic. You don't have to peel them. You just wanna break them up a bit. I want the flavor, not necessarily the garlic. We just pick those out after. We don't have to use them all. You can use as much as you like. 4 or 5 pieces is normally good. So this is what this looks like. Now that that's in there, we're going to do pepper. 1/4 tablespoon. We're going to do salt. We're going to open up 2 cans of tomato soup. Oh my God. Jeez. That's what happens when you do a video. So 2 cans of tomato soup, 2 cans water. In the oven. One can. Two cans. Okay, now we're going to put this in the oven. We're going to quickly fry or brown the, or sear. We're going to sear the, damn it. We're going to sear the pork chops. And then we're going to add the pork chops. I think we're going to have to change containers. This is not big enough. Yeah. And then we'll be right back. Okay, we're back. So trying to brown them like this, a little more, and then they're going to be going in the oven. I'll take a picture when they're done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.